To remove the needle for industrial sewing machine, we are using email as an example. This is email. So the first thing is you turn off the engine. Once the engine cools down, you come here, this button you are looking at here, this one, you loose it with your, you can use any of your screwdriver. Once loosed, you see that we have removed the needle. So now that I want to change it, this is the old one, so we have, they are here, so we want to change it to another one. So this is the new one. You can use any thread, depends on what you want to use it for. Just a person. This is a new thread I want to use. Just, you can decide to raise it up or down. Just put it inside here and make sure this side is facing the up. So insert it like this. Once it is done, insert it, make it a kind of side. Then you will need this. Tighten this bolt very well. This bolt here. Once it is done, this is the new thread.